So guys, in this video I will cover by bus. I will show you from my home place to directly going to the bus stop, and from there how I travel by bus to the Ras Al Khaimah. First luggage. This is my second rucksack, and this is also very important bag that I have with me. This is my lifesaver. So right now we are on lift, and again he is my brother Satish Tiwari is going to give me a company till the bus station. So guys, let's see. I have this bag with me. It's quite heavy, and this one I said these are 3 bags with me. So right now we are here till 3 we reached, and we have to go 0. Here is the bus station of Union Dera, and you can see that bus, blue color, it's going for Ras Al Khaimah. So finally we have arrived, but I have to go home to the ticket section. But I will keep my luggages and all over here because I have my friend with me, so it's quite easy for me. Stop. मैं अंदर तो क्या है टिकट से. If you see that section, there's buses are going for Sharjah and Ajman. So the queue is for the Sharjah bus there. I have to check and I have to take the ticket from there. Sir, from where for the Ras Al Khaimah tickets?
Yeah, I can
Okay.
give 20 there.
How much the price?
Only 20.
20, right? And what time the bus today?
Bus is leaving 3 hours.
So guys, I got my ticket from this bus station, which is only for 20 dirham. Okay, and bus station number is stop is 11. You can see there is written 8, 9. So every hour there is a bus from here, every hour like 1 hour. So 3 right now, the next bus is 4 until 9 p.m. the bus is there. Actually I came yesterday to inquire the same thing only for the bus and all, where I will keep the stuff and all. So they said there is a space here because it's the Volvo bus, so it's very convenient way to go from Dubai to Ras Al Khaimah. And you can see here's the bus. Here is the bus to going to Ras Al Khaimah. So guys, here is the space to keep the stuff over here, so we'll keep it one by one.
बाहर बाहर की तरफ ही रख, निकालने में इजी होगा।
See the back side, there is a space to keep the stock over there. You can keep your n number of luggages, almost any of the one you can carry. So I have almost 3 to 4. One bag is carrying. Here I have my laptop and my camera stuff are there. So let's see. Right now the time is 2:30. The bus will arrive at 3 and it will take 1.5 hours to reach from this stop Union to Ras Al Khaimah bus terminal. So let's see how long it will take by the practically, and stay tuned with me. Hi guys, welcome back. So guys, I'm sitting inside the bus right now and waiting for the bus to arrive. So it's on time almost. The bus will arrive within 5 or 6 minutes, something like that. The seats are almost full and they have one signage over every seat. So there is a precautions over every seat. Nobody can sit together over there in terms of avoiding corona to spread. And you can see the bus. Guys, finally I am arrived at Ras Al Khaimah bus station, and from here bus just stops there. You can take a taxi from here. And these are all taxi line. Guys, I have reached here. As I told you, there are taxi stand next to the bus station only. You can take a taxi from here towards your destination. I have to go to near Manar Mall, Ras Al Khaimah. So these guys are ready to go and they are waiting for passengers only. So it's quite convenient to go there. If you have limited stock with you, like 2 luggages, it's really convenient. But if you have more than that, you have to just take one more person with you, or just you need to help yourself only. But it's all safe and convenient. And this is the taxi.
ये ड्राइवर है हमारा, ये जा रहा है इनको लेके, ये भाई साहब को। हाँ जी, ये हम ड्राइवर है, हम भी ड्राइवर हैं। ओके, ये बहुत अच्छा कंपनी है।
बहुत सैलरी आता है,
बहुत सैलरी आता है, 170 कमाता है।
अभी तक घर में पैसा कोई नहीं भेजा 10 महीने में। 10 महीने से घर में कोई पैसा नहीं भेजा अभी तक। बहुत पैसा आता है।
थैंक यू भाईजान। So guys, finally I have reached here and I'm here inside a taxi. Acha bhaiyan, I have to ask one question. Someone want to go from here to Jabal Jais Mountains, right? By taxi. It's nearby, right?
मेरे साथ बात करो।
हाँ, आप सही कर रहे हैं। इंग्लिश में बोलेगा ना?
नहीं नहीं, मेरे साथ हिंदी में बात करो।
चलो ठीक है। अच्छा, जहाँ से लोग आएंगे इधर की तरफ, वो को जाना हो जबल जैस, तो टैक्सी में कितना रेंट आता है?
टैक्सी में तकरीबन आ जाता है 75-80 इतना आ जाता है।
70, काफ़ी फार डिस्टेंस में यहाँ से डिस्टेंस काफ़ी ज़्यादा दूर है?
नहीं, इतना ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है, तकरीबन
कितना किलोमीटर होगा?
आधा घंटा में पहुँच जाते हैं उधर।
बट आई थिंक फेयर ज़्यादा है फिर तो। फिर 70 तो ज़्यादा हो जाएगा फेयर।
नहीं तकरीबन
इतना ही है।
ओके
ठीक है। सो गाइस,
रास्ता थोड़ा ऐसा ना, उधर ज़्यादा स्पीड नहीं।
ओके, तो एवरेज कम आता है आप लोगों का? Okay, fine. So guys, just want to ask him only that how to go from here to Jabal Jais Mountains. So So he said he can go by taxi, but the charges will be 70 to 80 dirham, depend on the distance. Distance is not so far, but the mountains area are there, so the average will become lower. So he just said it will come to 70 to 80 dirham. So you can come according to that also. Right now I have to go to Manara Mall nearby to my place. So let's see. Hi guys, so finally I have reached Ras Al Khaimah, and this is my accommodation area, Shikha building that's called. And if you see, that's my area, Manar Mall, that side. This side is Manar Mall. So it's walking distance from me from here. So I just took the room over here only. So guys, hope you like the video. Hope it's helpful for you, because that's my motto, to rise by lifting others. Because I know it's difficult to come by bus and get the all information. So it's the right platform for you to get all information regarding to travel from Dubai to Ras Al Khaimah by bus. I have covered already the prices over how much the charges, distance, and time durations, and luggage, how much luggage you can carry in the bus, and everything. So hope you like the video. Let's see in the new video.